Starting with version 12.3, Lightroom includes the AI-based Denoise feature applicable to raw images. This function is accessible through the Photo Enhance menu or within the Detail panel, which also houses the original noise reduction function, now labeled Manual Noise Reduction. Using it is quite simple, as the function only requires adjusting the amount slider based on the preview until you achieve the desired result. The portion of the preview displayed can be moved by clicking and dragging with the mouse inside the window itself. In addition, you can click on the magnifying glass symbol to go to the full view, then click on the point you are most interested in. When you click within the preview window, the Denoise effect temporarily turns off, so the click also performs the before-after comparison function. Clicking on the Enhance button will create a copy of the original file in DNG format, renamed file name Enhanced NR. By checking the Create Stack checkbox, the copy will be stacked to the original image. Another way to use the Denoise function directly, without going to the preview screen, is to hold Alt or Option and click Denoise. This immediately creates the enhanced NR copy with your last settings. All the enhanced images will have a badge in the film strip views. And in the History tab, a history step with the name Enhanced NR Amount timestamp will be created. For example, this means that Denoise was used with amount equals 40. If you wish, you can also automatically add a keywords to images enhanced using Denoise, Raw Details, and Super Resolution. Go to Edit, Preferences, select the File Handling tab and check the Automatically Add Keywords checkbox. In the case of the Denoise function, the keywords Denoise and Enhanced will be added. How it works. Denoise identifies the subject by referencing an extensive library of Adobe images. This is why internet connection is mandatory. Through this recognition, it reconstructs the subject's general texture, be it a face, wood grain, fabric, or other material. It's typically so effective that it seems almost like magic. However, understanding its limitations is important to avoid over-relying on it. Denoise reconstructs what it considers the most reliable information. However, it cannot invent missing information and can sometimes be wrong. It is advisable to carefully examine the image at 100% magnification for artifacts. Also beware of color dominance that may appear. Denoise requires high computing power and a lot of disk space. Indeed, enhanced in our images require considerably more storage than the originals, frequently exceeding twice the size. Therefore, although Adobe recommends applying Denoise before any other processing, it is strongly discouraged to apply it indiscriminately to all images to be developed. Better to reserve it for the few instances where traditional manual noise reduction hasn't been effective enough. Another example. Finally, if you excessively increase the amount setting on an image with significant background noise, Denoise can produce the same wax statue effect seen with manual Denoise. It's better to retain some grain than to create an obviously artificial and unnatural result.